To our north, we're tracking a very strong thunderstorm that is moving in from Mitchell County south to Colorado City right now. Going to be pulling in at around E.V. Smith a little before 7 o'clock, a little after 7 out towards Robert Lee and Fort Chadburn. This cluster of thunderstorms moving southeasterly at roughly 30 miles per hour. For folks who are just getting off of work to prepare for the storms, I know it might be last minute, but secure those loose outdoor items and articles. We're talking wind gusts getting up to 70 miles per hour and those strong to severe storms tonight. Get your vehicles under covered parking and have a plan in place for you and your family as things start to unfold. That high pressure digging in is actually going to keep it away from San Angelo and most of Texas. It will likely be a very strong tropical storm, maybe a low-end hurricane. There is a look at that roll cloud moving in towards the southern Tom Green County region earlier today. And just like that, you see all the rain coming right on our doorstep. Here's the setup, folks. We got that southeasterly wind holding on nicely for tomorrow. You get the dew points into the mid to upper 60s, and then we're going to also see temperatures in the mid 80s. You also get the dry line interaction out towards the west. This alone creates the high instability factor across the entire region. We have a developing low coming out of the Rockies. This is what we'd like to call a Colorado low, putting it into motion for you heading into your Monday morning, Monday afternoon. The forecast button, and let's see what happens. 48, a chilly start. We're talking a lot of cloud cover. Look at that, super effective. So this is going to be a very nice forecast ahead. We'll be entering our far western counties a little after midnight tonight, right on top of San Angelo, Tom Green County, and central parts of the Concho Valley, anywhere from about 2 to 3 o'clock tonight, and eventually pushing out towards some of our eastern counties. At about 6 o'clock, a little before that morning commute, this becomes more of a warm sector of our next developing low. And if you look towards our north, this is going to become an occluded front. Now, what this means is this front will begin to overtake the warm air and will begin to drag in cooler air right behind it. We're going to be into the high unstable to extremely unstable air mass across the region. This will mean that anything that develops within this region will become strong to severe at a moment's notice. Your threat index not only for tonight, but Friday, 60-mile-per-hour winds, large hail, flash flooding still a concern. We got a lot of saturated soils taking place. Frequent lightning, even the threat for an isolated tornado, still going to be with us at least until Friday evening. And then we're going to see the potential for a few isolated storms. It's all going to be dependent on how strong the cap is right over the Concho Valley. Now, what that means is a cap is a layer of warm air aloft. It could delay or suppress the development of thunderstorms. If we break that cap, we could see this right here, a few of those isolated storms across the region. Give it the next 10 to 15 minutes, and this will all continue to travel more northeasterly into southwestern parts of Erie and County. So folks out towards Merced, keep an eye on this storm as it continues to barrel towards you.
Chief Meteorologist Noel Ream, sponsored by CC Roofing and Construction Company.
Good evening, Concho Valley. Taking a look out towards the west, we got some scattered clouds trying to move in. Temperatures still very hot out there, well above average. Even after 6 o'clock tonight, 98 degrees. We're seeing dew points slightly increasing from what we had at 5 o'clock. Now into the lower 60-degree range. This has those feel-like temperatures still in the low 100s. And a southwesterly wind coming in at 12 miles per hour. We officially hit 102 degrees today. That is 9 degrees above that average high of 93. Thankfully not getting towards that record high of 109 set back in the 1900s. And we didn't pick up any rain as of today. That could change over the next hour or so. We got those isolated rain chances here in San Angelo, a better chance for showers and thunderstorms for some of our northeastern counties. There's that dry line starting to move into western and central parts of the Concho Valley. Strong to severe thunderstorms will still be possible on the eastern side of that. Here's a look at our satellite and radar at the local level. There is that severe thunderstorm warning I want to take you to right now. This is also for Coleman and Runnels County, coming out of Runnels County now, all moving out towards the east at roughly 30 miles per hour. We're seeing the potential for some quarter-sized hail and winds up to 60 miles per hour. I've also got a tracker on this for you. Headed out towards Coleman a little before 7 o'clock this evening. Burkhead, this will be headed out towards you a little after 7 o'clock, about 7:05, and then eventually heading out towards northern parts of Brown County as we move forward into the evening. Keeping our eye on another one in southern Nolan County, headed out towards Bront at about 6:56 or so, and then headed out towards Bront Elementary. Following that, this will continue moving out towards the southeast at roughly 30 miles per hour as well, moving into parts of Coke County. Severe thunderstorm watch through 11 o'clock for just about most of the Concho Valley. You can see not including Sutton, not including Kimball, or including Mason counties, but just about all of us are in that until we see that dry line pushing out towards the east. A tornado watch in effect for Coleman County until midnight tonight, and that extends all the way out towards the east, including parts of the Metroplex for the rest of this evening. Isolated supercell development, at least according to one of our in-house computer models, gets that out there towards about Ballinger to Coleman. We will see the isolated supercell development potential at least for the next hour and a half to 2 hours. Hold on to a little bit of cloud cover before midnight. The clouds begin to thin after midnight. We will see at least partly cloudy to mostly clear skies overnight, early tomorrow morning, and it's going to be a scorcher of an afternoon tomorrow once we get that sunshine starting to heat things up. Severe weather outlook for tonight has our northeastern counties in that slight risk. A 2 out of 5, meaning we could see some scattered strong and severe storms continuing. Large hail damaging winds, minor flooding can't be ruled out as we move forward tonight. 97 out towards Robert Lee. We're still holding on to the triple digits in Big Lake at 198 out towards Mertzen. 98 as well in Junction, sitting at 93. One of our cool spots out towards Coleman. Some of the cloud cover starting to increase right now. The feel-like temperatures at 107 degrees, pushing near 110 out towards Mason. As we take a look at the temperature change compared to yesterday, we're talking about 5 to nearly 15 degrees warmer. Temperatures even warmer for tomorrow, 105 on your Thursday. Temperatures staying above seasonal averages as we head out through the weekend. 92 for tonight, 20% chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, bright and sunny start. Temperatures in the upper 60s for tomorrow. Your forecast heading into tomorrow afternoon. 105 going to be the warmest day of the year. We'll see 12 degrees above average, breezy southwesterly winds. Your 7-day forecast moving forward. Triple digits are going to be expected for the remainder of the work week. Those slight isolated rain chances begin as early as Friday evening and through the week.